It's Penny and the Professor. Here's Penny.
Hi everybody, I hope you enjoyed the story. I know I did, and Penny did. Penny had a question. I know, surprising. She never has she has all the questions. Here she goes. She's asking a question. Questions help us learn. So the more you question and the more things you ask, especially when you're learning about a new text, the more you'll learn from it and the more information you'll reveal when we do those deep explorations of the book. So Penny has a question. She said, all of the books that she's learned about so far have characters in them, right? So they have animals or people that are doing things in the book, and she's confused because she didn't see any animals in this book and she didn't see any people in this book, and she's like, who is this book about? So that's what she asked me. She said, Miss Marti, who is this book about? Who are the characters in this book? And so I'll tell you. The characters in the book Chicka Chicka Boom Boom are the letters. The letters are doing something called personification, basically. They take on the look and movements of a person. And so they are the people or the animals or the characters in the book, the letters. So we've got the lowercase letters who are characters and then some uppercase letters who are characters. And so yeah, it's the letters that are the characters in this book, which is pretty cool and a little bit different. I want to look at this right here though. Have you guys ever seen this kind of a line with all of these things on it? What are those called? Do you know? Penny, do you know what those are called? Oh, that's right, they're numbers. So I was just thinking how the characters are letters, but what's the difference between numbers and letters? Because they all they get mixed up to me. And I was hoping we could figure out what's the difference between numbers and letters. That's right. Oh, you guys are so smart. Kindergarten friends. Oh, wow. You're amazing. So I heard somebody say numbers are for counting and letters are for reading words or making words. That's true. Okay. So what about numbers? What else do we know about numbers? That's right, numbers tell us how many of something there is, and letters tell us what sounds there are to make somebody be able to read something or say something. So they have different purposes, don't they? Letters and numbers. So when we put all of these together, we call them numbers. What do we call it when all the letters are together? Does anybody know the big word that we say when all the letters are together? Let's practice this. This helps me. So let's see. There's a part in the book that says something about all the letters at the end. The whole alphabet is up the tree. Whole alphabet. Alphabet! I bet it's alphabet. That's right. So some people say my ABCs, or the alphabet is the big word that we use to describe when all the letters are together. And so alphabet is one of those words that you might want to know as you're growing up. So when somebody says, do you know your alphabet? They're probably asking you if you know how to say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Maybe. That's your whole alphabet, right? If you know the alphabet song, you know how to sing the whole alphabet. Pretty cool. I bet you guys know how. Perfect. Next time maybe you can sing with me. All right. So we've been doing a really good job of noticing things, and we noticed that there were letters and we noticed what they were doing. But I think we need to practice wondering just a little bit more. So I'm going to put up our wonder wheel for us. And our wonder wheel has all those question words, right? Like what, when, where, why, who, where, all those question words that we can start our wonders with. Do you have anything you're wondering about, Penny? That's a good one. Penny's wondering, what does Chicka Chicka Boom Boom mean? It's a really good question. Anybody know the answer yet? Okay, so we're gonna keep that one on hold for a little bit. We'll figure out what Chicka Chicka Boom Boom means. What, Ellie, you have one? What's your question? Oh, Ellie wants to know why all of the letters fall out of the tree. Good question, Ellie. So can you think of a question for us in the discussion? Maybe come up with a question. Use the question words and start with one of them. So do you have a where question? Do you have a why question or a who question? Or maybe a when question? Ask your question in the discussion. Can't wait to see what you're wondering about in Chicka Chicka Boom Boom.